country today, schools are going outside to show their voice, and it's important because school shootings have happened so many times before, and after a couple months people forget about it. And this time I hope with our actions and actions from schools across the country, we show that we're not going to forget this time and real change and progress can be made. Us being kids and being high school students, we don't always get a big voice, but we do. If we come together collectively, they have to listen to us, and it's really amazing to be a part of that.
I feel that we as students can change that, can reach out to one another and prevent events like these from ever occurring and ever happening within our schools.
My father should not be afraid of one of us not coming home.
Make a choice! Make a choice! Guns! Guns! Or our lives! The students united! The students united! We'll never be divided! We'll never be divided! Protect our kids! Not our guns! Protect our kids! Not our guns! Protect our kids! Not our guns!
I shouldn't fear coming to school. I shouldn't fear going to a movie theater.
My parents get scared when I go to a crowded place. If I tell my mom I'm going to the movies, she's like, be very careful. Or at the march today, she was like, please don't go. I don't want you to get shot. That's the America we live in right now.
Should teachers have weapons? No, they should not. But we should have calculators, computers, textbooks.
Yes, listen to everything your classmates have said today, because I agree with it all. Love each other. Be good to each other. And remember, be the positive change that you want.